Let us understand the step-by-step process of entering car parking allotment details in StrategicERP. Navigate to the car parking allotment form under the Sales Management module. Select the date and unit code. Enter details such as the member code, member name, project name, name of company, sub-project name, number of floors, unit number, parking level and email ID. Select the car parking type, car parking number, manual parking number and date of allotment. You can enter the customer address and agreement date. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The process of entering car parking allotment details is now complete.